Hi, welcome back. Today I'm making a quick, easy salad. In the Czech Republic it's called opsky Sala. Not sure what it's called in English, but it's made with feta cheese, cucumber, tomatoes, and green pepper, bell pepper. So we're just gonna chop it all up. I've already washed them, and then we're gonna put it in a bowl. And we're just gonna chop up the pepper first. And we're just gonna chop it up into like bite-sized pieces. So yeah, just about like this. Now we're gonna peel and chop the cucumber. You don't have to peel it, but I prefer to peel it because I don't like the skin, so it's up to you. Now we're just gonna slice it up into bite-sized pieces as well. I usually just do it like this. And now we're going to cut up our tomatoes. Feta cheese. I just bought the block, but you can buy the crumpled one already. So I'm just gonna cut out a piece here. Yeah, and then we're just gonna crumble it by hand. It crumbles really easily. I just need to do this. We're just going to mix it up a bit, get everything up combined. Have a beautiful and colorful salad. And it actually tastes even better the next day because the juices from the tomatoes and the cucumbers kind of get combined with the feta cheese, and it's just delicious. So there you go. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Give it a try. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.